Here are some quick steps to get you started with Kroger Pickup. First, go to Kroger.com on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Then log in with your Kroger username and password. New to Kroger? It's super easy to create an account. Enter your zip code in the top right corner. Select a pickup location. And then begin shopping thousands of items. For even faster cart building, returning customers can use the Buy Again option under Start Your Cart to quickly add your favorite products. Items that are low in stock or out of stock will be marked accordingly for your convenience. Pull over on the arrow on the right side of the screen while shopping to see all items in your cart. When you're finished, go to your cart. If you'd like a substitution for any out-of-stock items in your order, be sure to check the Allow Substitutions box. Under each item is a Preferences option, so you can instruct the store to choose the best match, a specific item, or no substitution. Select your desired day and time for pickup, then submit the order. Any digital coupons you've clipped will automatically apply to the applicable items in your order. Let the store know when you're on the way using the On My Way feature on the Kroger website or app. Upon arrival, check in with your parking spot number. A pickup associate will bring out your order and load everything into your car. And that's it. We're happy to provide you with a pickup experience that's full, fresh, and friendly.